Hello guys, welcome to Bola Tech. In this video, we have been asked to draw the third angle orthographic projection of this particular block given right on the screen. Okay, so first of all, we are going to calculate the total length as given as 75. Then we are going to calculate the total height of the block, which is given to be 60 millimeter. Now, for third angle projection, the front view is going to be right here. This is going to be the front view. The plan is going to be at the top, then the side view is going to be by this side, or if you are drawing the left side view, it can actually be by the other side. Okay, so first of all, we are going to calculate the length, the total height, which is was 60. So I'm going to pick 60 millimeter from here. Okay, this is 60 millimeter. So at this point of 60 millimeter, I'm going to draw what? A straight line like this. Now we are going to calculate the total length, which is going given as what? 75. This is where the front view is from. So this is 75 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 75. Okay, this point is 75. Then I'm going to draw a straight vertical line upward like this. Okay, in this manner. Now, as we can see from this place here, we have been given a distance here of what? Of 30 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 30 millimeter right here. This is 30 millimeter here. Okay, I'm going to pick 30 millimeter in that part. Then we have been given the length of this place to this place to be what? To be 40. So definitely from here to here is going to be what? 20. The distance from here to here is 40 and the total length is 60. So from here to here is going to be what? 20. So at this point, I'm going to what? Draw a straight line downwards like this, in this manner. At that point where 30 is stopping, I'm going to draw a thin. Make it thin, please. Then I'm going to pick 20 like this. 20 at this point. Okay, then at that point of 20, I'm going to draw to this edge here. Okay, let me thicken this out like this. Okay, so now the next thing we are going to be doing is to draw this slope, this particular slope here. As you can see on the front view, the slope is also part. So now we have been given the length of the slope from here to be 20 also, as seen here. So I'm going to pick another 20 again. This is another 20 millimeter. All right, so at this point where that 20 millimeter is stopping, I'm going to be joining it here to form the slope. Okay, that inclined line here, I'll join it to this point like this. Okay, so that's that for that. Now we are going to draw this box here, which is like it is passing through this box because of we have been given this line. This line here indicates that it is a box that comes out at the other edge. Okay, so first of all, let me tick in here like this. Now we have been given the height from here to here to be 10, then from here to here to be 10. That is, this box height is 40 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 10 here, then pick 10 downward also like this. Then I'm going to project a very thin line inside, then a very thin line inside. Now the distance from here to here also is given as 10, 10, 10, 10. So I'm going to pick 10 here. This is 10. Okay, so at those point of 10 millimeter, I'm going to project upward to form my box like this. Okay, so it's going to be like this. So this is this box here given. Okay, so this is the box given. Now we are also going to be drawing this particular place. As we can see, there is an entrance here, but we cannot see it. So we are going to be representing it with what? With short dashes right in this place. Now we have been given the length from here to here to be what? 10, and the box itself is given as 25 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 10 first. like this from here to here. This is 10. Then I'll pick 10 here also. Okay, so at that point, I'm going to what? I'm going to draw short dashes downward, short dashes, okay, like this. Then short dashes also, like this. Okay, so that's for this place. Then we can thicken this place out also, like this. All right, so now we are going to move straight to the plan of this particular drawing. Now, in order to draw the plan, we are going to project lines from the front view, okay, upward, like this. Make it thin, please. I'm going to project this also upward, then project this also upward, like this, then this upward also. Then I'm going to project from here also, like this. You'll be projecting all lines, please project all lines. Okay, so now the length of the plan is where we can actually view from the top, as we have been given right here. So the length is what? 60. The total length is 60. So I'm going to pick my ruler and mark 60 millimeter here, like this is 60 millimeter. Okay, so at that point of 60 millimeter, I'm going to draw a straight thin line in this manner, like this. Okay, so now we have gotten all the lines. What we just need to do is to be thickening out the points that are actually needed. Now, as we can see for here, we are going to start with this point here, this point 30 millimeter. So it's going to be thickened out completely. This box up here is where we are thickening out first. Okay, so that's that for that. Now there is an O here. We can actually see it, which is this O. So we are going to represent it with short dashes. Okay, we're going to represent it with short dashes in this manner. Okay, so that's that for this. Now we are going to move straight to this particular place here, that is this other part here. As you can see, we have been given this place to be what? 30. Length from here to here to be 30. So we are going to pick 30. So we are going to draw from here to this point here. Okay, now we have been given a box right here also, that we are going to be showing 10, 25 and 10. But we have already what? Drawn this from up, that is this 25, we have drawn it from up. So we have been given the thickness of this one to be 10. So I'm just going to what? I'm going to pick 10 millimeter. So it's going to be 10, like this is 10, 10, 10 to make my 30. So I'm going to draw like this and draw like this. Okay, so this box right here is this part here. Okay, so we can thicken this out also, and thicken this out. Then this. Now we move to the slant. The slant is going to show like a rectangle, so it's just going to be normal since it is an orthographic projection. Okay, so that's that for the side, for the plan of this drawing. Okay, so we move to the side view. Now, in order to draw the side view, we are going to pick our 45-degree set square. Okay, then we're going to place it at the center at which this horizontal and vertical line, which we drew at the beginning, is intersecting. Okay, then I'm going to what? I'm going to project 45-degree line. Please ensure a 45-degree. Okay, then I'm going to project lines from the side view to the 45-degree lines we have drawn. Thin line, please. going to project thin line like this. Then from the side view, I'm going to what from that 45-degree line, I'm going to project those lines downward. Okay, I'm going to project those lines downward like this. Okay, in this manner. Now what I'm going to do next is to what project from the front view towards this side. Okay, so we have gotten almost all our points. We have gotten almost all our points. So we are going to start. The side view is here. The side is actually here. So we'll start with this place, this particular place here. That's the back. There is a line here. Okay, but we cannot what actually see it. That is, there's an opening here, but we cannot actually see it right from the side view. So we are going to represent this part with what, with short dashes. That is this up and this down. We are going to represent them with short dashes. This is the part here. Okay, represent them with short dashes. Then here also we draw our short dashes line. Okay, let me thicken out this part and this part. Okay, this is this place here which I've thickened out, and this is this particular place here which I've thickened out. Okay, so now what we are going to do next is what, is to come to this place. As we can see, this in this place which is here is here. So I'm going to what, I'm going to project line from here to the side. Okay, projecting line from here to the side, I'm going to do what, thickening out this part here which is here. So I'm going to thicken it out like this, like this. Then I can thicken out this part like this and like this. Okay, now for here also, we have also been given an opening here which we cannot see. So this is the opening here. We are going to represent it with what, also short dashes. We are going to represent it with short dashes. Okay, so that's that for that. Now we can draw the bottom part like this. Okay, lest we forget, we are not also going to be forgetting this place which is the base of this place. So we'll draw like this, then we thicken out this part. If you found value in this video, please ensure you smash the subscribe button, hit the like button for the algorithm, and drop your idea about the video in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'll see you in the next.